Handling and managing hundreds or thousands of your residents' complaints are not easy tasks to do. But as a residential platform, we are here to try to support and provide a simple and easy platform, not just for you but also for your residents. Let's have a quick tour how to manage all of your residents' complaints. First, your residents can submit their complaint form through the Help Desk complaint page in the resident dashboard. Management will receive and accept the complaint form and see the details of the complaint, such as which unit property the resident came from, what are the complaint subject, and resident's complaint message. After management resolves the complaint, your resident will be informed to check the complaint forms in the resident dashboard. If the complaint is done, your resident can click the Complete button in their complaint form. All completed residents' complaint form will be moved to the Complete tab. Join your management with us at management.mardesk.com and click sign up for free. All the features are now free to use. Manage your residential easily with Mardesk.